Hello! So everyone wants a reset for the Fed, meaning that they want the Fed to not only stop the rate increase, that's a reset, and then they would like them to pivot, meaning start lowering rates. Are you sure if such a good thing for the stock market? Think about this for 1 second. If the Fed decided tomorrow to pivot and start to lower rates, as usual, the market would start to think, especially if stock market has gone up enough, they would start to think, but wait a second, maybe things are not so good after all, and the Fed is starting to pivot because we don't have such good economic news to begin with, and the market would start to actually drop. Wouldn't that be a thing?